Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make strawberry lemonade. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 pound of ripe strawberries, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. Make sure your strawberries are thoroughly washed and hulled. You'll also need a blender, a fine mesh sieve, and a large pitcher for mixing and serving this refreshing drink. Next, let's prepare our strawberry puree. Take your 1 pound of washed and hulled strawberries and combine them with 1/4 cup of water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. Then, pour this vibrant puree through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl, pressing firmly on the pulp to extract every drop of that sweet, flavorful juice. This step ensures a smooth, seedless lemonade. Now, let's create the zesty lemonade base. Squeeze 6 to 8 fresh lemons to get approximately 1 cup of juice. In a separate bowl, dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar into 1 cup of hot water, stirring until it forms a clear, simple syrup. This ensures the sugar fully integrates. Combine the fresh lemon juice, the simple syrup, and 3 cups of cold water in your pitcher, stirring well. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your prepared strawberry puree into the lemonade base in the pitcher. Stir gently until the beautiful pink color is uniform throughout. Taste your strawberry lemonade and adjust the sweetness or tartness as needed, perhaps adding a little more sugar or a splash more lemon juice. Chill thoroughly before serving over ice. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.